Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to calculate interest amount using data table or what if analysis. Okay, so how to calculate this? What here you will see I have created this table. This is principal amount, this is interest amount, this is duration. Okay, 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, and this is 20 years, 25 years and 30 years. So in this video we will use data table, what if analysis data table, to find out the amount of interest amount of for the principal amount of 1 lakh and interest of 11% for 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, 25 years and 30 years. Okay, so first here we have to use a formula to find the or calculate the amount principal amount of for 5 years of this principal amount. So select principal amount into rate of interest into year. Okay, so this is the this is the interest amount of this for 5 years. Okay, now if I copy this formula to the this row, you will see here, you will see nothing is appeared. So what you have to do, yeah, we have to just use data analysis, what if analysis data table, to find out the interest amount for these years. Okay, so you have to just select the row of duration and interest amount row. Okay, then go to data. Here you will see what if analysis option, just click on it. Now here you will see data table. Now you will see this is here, you will see row input cell. So as this is in the row, so you have to just select this one and click on this first 5 years. Okay, and click on OK. Now you will see all the interest amount of for 10 years to 15 years, 20 years, 25 years and 30 years. So like this you can use what if analysis data table in Excel for the interest calculation. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.